Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. Happy Spring Monday. It's May 9th, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our chart of the week. And today, we're going to be profiling Chipotle Mexican Grill, which is a stock that we actually profiled for the downside not too long ago, and now we're flipping it around and going to be trying to see if there's some upside to go here. But let's move forward and mark up the chart as we go along. We have Chipotle here having a really nice 5 to 7 days here. In fact, last week's action was quite compelling. We had a strong up day on Monday, followed through with a move up to the 20-day moving average and pulled back on Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we just kind of consolidated, and we had a couple of down days that week, and we still actually finished positive over the 5-day period. So today, Monday, we have this big, huge candle here on some pretty decent volume as well, too. So that was very impressive today. No news to speak of, but we did actually have a nice MACD buy signal today. First time it's been positive on the MACD since we rolled over back in early March when we started to come down. Now, as far as the trend line is concerned, we can connect these trend lines and we can see that today it broke that trend line to the downside. That's been pointing to the downside, and now we're moving on up to the moving averages. There is a gap up here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's about 520. That could be an ultimate target here. There is some resistance, of course, quite significantly in the form of the 50-day moving average, which is the blue line right over here. What's called at about 468, roughly. But what's impressive about this stock is the relative strength, and I want to highlight that right over here. And we've had some good relative strength in this for this stock. In the case of the news that's been coming out regarding the E. coli situation and giving away free burritos and so forth, it's impressive that even in the wake of all that news and the poor earnings that came out just a couple of weeks ago, when in fact now the stock is above where it was when it had that poor earnings report just about 2 weeks ago. What's interesting is that it still seems to be attracting some buyers, and we like stocks when we're playing options. We like stocks that are attracting buyers. So this one, we do think that it has some more upside over here. It's going to probably run into some resistance at the 500 level. Not only is that a round number, but it is also an area of resistance as well too from middle of March. So again, lots of resistance on this thing. We don't think it's going to be a slam dunk to the upside, but we do like this stock to move sharply higher, maybe up towards the 500 area, which would take it up about another 10% from here after today's really nice 5% move to the upside. That's Chipotle. Go ahead and grab a burrito if you have a chance, if you want to buy this thing. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.